And we went to the Fielding Field Days, and that was in, I think, in 2003. And Crosslight had a display there, and I'm walking past, and Dave's standing at the front, and she said, "Go on, you've always wanted to do this." She said, anyway, she went up to Dave and said he wants to buy one. So that's how I got into it. And I was sort of reluctant to spend $300,000, but anyway, it was Lois was telling me to go and buy one that got us started. And Bill came down, we organised what we wanted, and it went from there. I was trying to think of the most dramatic things that have happened to us since we've had the Crosslight. And one of the first one has been the fact we can get on with our mould draining, because the opportunity for mould draining is November, September, October, perhaps into November. And with the Crosslight, it's given us the ability to get in and do our mould draining before we actually go in and do the sowing. So that's had a dramatic effect, and we've been doing quite a bit of mould draining. It's had quite an effect on the existing pipes and some of the newer pipe systems we put in. The other thing is it's given us opportunity, which is mentioned by some of the other farms we visited, to farm stock right up until virtually the day we're sowing. And that window of opportunity and the way stock grow from August, September, and even into October, it's quite dramatic. And that's had a huge effect on our profitability. And the other thing that's been interesting, and Paul's taken it to another level, we've had the opportunity to sow crops 12 months of the year as opposed to being locked into an autumn and spring situation. I think they sowed the last crop about a month ago. And so that's had a dramatic effect on our lifestyle and what we can do with our farm. 6-inch rows, so we did a lot of cropping in 12-inch rows that year, and from then on we managed to go down to the 6, and since then we built it, and it's bigger. It's 19 run now, not 15. So it's had quite a dramatic effect on the soil and the ability to pull a drill of that size. So that's been another plus for the drill. See, our soil is very vulnerable to be broken down. Like I think Nathan mentioned, 3 crops of barley. Like you could do 2 crops of barley and get successful yields, but you tried for the third one, and well, like you said, you had to throw the clumps at the tractor to try and break them down. It just went very hard, and you lost all your structure. And that's been, I think, the most dramatic effect on our soils is the preservation of soil structure.